Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. I'm checking out this ESFOE smartwatch. Features all kinds of stuff. Basically monitors your steps, your calories. You can monitor all your social media on here, a bunch of different things. So have our little instruction manual here. Here's our watch. It's got this little charge for 15 minutes before. Pair by downloading the app. Reset the watch if pairing is abnormal. Okay, has this nice little wipe down cloth for that, and the instructions. This comes with a magnetic charger there that attaches to the back of the watch. You have your choice of either a metal band or a silicone band, so that is nice, and also has the little device here for switching out the metal parts to make it smaller. It's a pretty heavy duty band there. That feels pretty good. Okay, so you have to download the Glory Fit app for your phone, and I have that on there. So there it is. I'm connected. I can do a bunch of stuff in here. I'm just going to get a close-up of the screen so you guys can see that. And yeah, just press the little buttons. I can swipe up, go back, see my notifications, check out my all kinds of stuff on here. So let's get a close-up of that, shall we? All right, so here we go. It's got the beats per minute on there. Just a ton of different things. You can see it has a battery indicator. I go to my heart rate. Back. It's going to show all these different things for exercises that we're going to do. We're going to do some walking, and it's going to start the little countdown, and it's going to give us our heart rate, distance, time, all that stuff. Back out. Exit out. Pause. Stop it. Okay, check. And then you can do any kind of exercise that you want to do. Here's the app on there too. Has all your stuff on there. Really nice, user-friendly app. Easy to install, work great too. So that's pretty cool. A ton of stuff on there. We just hit the back button. We can open up our stuff from the side, swipe over, have our phone on there. We go to the little toolbox, got a flashlight, toolbox, timer, stopwatch, find photos. Start a stopwatch if I want. Just a bunch of cool features, and a really nice responsive screen there. Okay, we're gonna back out maybe. Still working out figuring out how to do that. Okay, back out button. Here we have our oxygen levels right here. Just really handy. A lot of different stuff on here. I'm still trying to figure out everything, but you can switch up the faces of the watch as well. Just a lot of different features. Here's my step count, 49, weekly steps, sleep duration. It's going to keep track of all that, beats per minute, oxygen level. Here's the weather, and you can add components there if you want. So beautiful day out today. But all in all, my friends, really nice. I haven't put this watch on there, this band. It's a nice heavy duty one, but the metal ones tend to pull my arm hairs out, so I don't really like it. I like the silicone one here, nice and good grip on there, not slipping around on my arm or anything like that. So really cool. Pretty sweet watch, my friends. It seems to do everything I need it to do. I like how I can take pictures with it with my phone. Now I can, instead of having to use a remote to take my pictures when I'm making a video or something, I can just use my watch, so that's nice. And also just change my music and stuff like that. A lot of times I'm mowing the lawn, and then a commercial comes up or something like that, and it's like on your video that you're playing. So instead of being able to skip that, you have to get out your phone and do all that. So now with the watch, you can just simply push the button on there. So very handy. Well, my friends, great watch here. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.